Welcome to the Data Science Experience Local, also known as DSX Local. This is the first of 3 videos introducing DSX Local. It is recommended to watch the 3 videos in order. What is DSX Local? DSX Local is a platform which provides all the tools that data scientists love, all available in one place to create, train, and deploy analytic models on your enterprise data. DSX Local can be easily installed on your enterprise servers behind the firewall, allowing you to comply with your security policies and compliance requirements. DSX Local can also be extended with more nodes, allowing for the addition of more computing power as your workload increases. This chart provides a summary view of the main DSX Local features, which will be covered by these 3 videos. In the first video, after logging in to DSX, we will take a quick look at the main landing page. Then we will look at the main administrator's dashboard features. And we will conclude this demo by looking at the community features, which can be added to various projects to help users get started. The other 2 videos demonstrations will cover functional aspects of DSX Local, such as collaboration features, data assets, and analytics assets. This is the logging screen of DSX Local. To get started, we are now going to log in using the default administrator credentials, which are admin for the username and password for the password. This is the default landing page showing some sample notebooks in the community assets, which we will come back to shortly. But first, since we logged in using an administrative account, let us review quickly some aspects of the console which are only available to administrators. The top of the screen shows a drop-down menu with 2 options: IBM Data Science Experience Local, IBM Data Platform Manager. This second sub-menu will take us into the administrator's view of the console. DSX Local runs 3 types of nodes: compute, storage, and control. From the dashboard page, you can review system components such as CPU usage, memory usage, or disk usage for each one of the node categories. Network utilization is also available at a glance. Using the navigation bar in the top left corner of the screen, we can list the various aspects of the platform which the administrator can control: management of node and services, management of Kubernetes cluster pods underpinning the various nodes and services, user management for adding and editing users. Users can be defined either locally or imported using the LDAP server. We also see management of alerts generated by the system. Using the drop-down menu at the top of the screen, we can now select IBM Data Science Experience Local. At the bottom of the screen, you have a set of helpful links into the DSX Local documentation online, a discussion forum hosted on Stack Overflow where you can post questions and answers over a multitude of data science experience topics, a DSX blog for the latest news and announcements, a link to an IBM webpage where you can suggest new DSX features or vote on other people's proposal. In the middle of the page, you can see a summary of the most recently updated projects, or you can create a new project by clicking on the corresponding button. We'll come back to the notion of projects and cover them in more details in a subsequent video. At the top of the page, you can see a few sample notebooks. By clicking on the More link, you can expand the list and check out the list of available samples in the community. These notebooks contain many examples of code snippets, visualizations, tutorials, and sample datasets to help you get started. A wide range of topics is covered in these notebooks, such as learning notebook basics and learning about Spark, trying some visualization using the simple but efficient Python-based Brunel library, data frames, deep learning, data optimization, and more. Let us look very briefly at one of the sample notebooks. When you click on a sample notebook, it will open in viewing mode. You can use the two icons on the top right corner here, as we can see, to either download the notebook locally or to open it and run it directly inside DSX Local. If you choose to open the notebook, it will automatically open in editing mode inside a default sample project named DSX Samples, which has been pre-created by the DSX installer. There is a lot more to learn about DSX Local. Please watch the next video that covers collaboration through projects.